5 plus 3. Okay. So string plus number. We are concatenating. Sir, I think it will give error. I think
Okay, don't check now.
we are right.
Okay, error
What, sir?
which both line will give error or first line or second line?
Sir, both line.
Okay, what will be the reason why error will come?
Because we are adding a string to the number. Both are
Okay,
different. Yes.
okay, okay. So we cannot do operation on different data types, correct?
We can
Okay,
say.
okay. You can check the output. You can go
Okay,
to
sir.
that.
This is not giving error. 53. Mhm.
Did you understand what is happening?
I don't understand. Yes, no, sir.
Okay. So basically in JavaScript, we can perform mathematical operation on different data types. Like if one is a string, one is number.
Mm,
You can open VS Code. Uh,
yes, sir.
then we can perform mathematical operation. If the string is convertible to a number, okay. So
Mm,
like this 5 is 5 in a string. It is convertible to a number. So it will be, so behind the scenes, JavaScript is type conversion. So it automatically converts the type. So in the case of first line, 3 will be converted to a string, and both strings will
yes,
be concatenated. That's why it is giving 53. But in the second
yes, sir.
case, the 5 in string, it will be converted to number, and 3 will be subtracted from that. That's why it is giving true 2. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
we can perform operations.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is any specification that one which should change in which one?
There is
Like
no, yeah,
changing, he changing in uh, a number.
yes. So only in case of plus, if one is a string, they will be
Okay.
converted to a string and added. But in case
Yes, sir.
of other operations, they will be converted to number. Okay.
Okay.
So I will send you next question.
Okay, sir. The first one is true and the second one is false.
Can explain why it is?
Yes, sir. Because 5 is, according to you, 5 converted into some uh, number value, so it
Hmm.
should be false, and 3 equal operator determines the uh, type of the that value.
Hmm.
So it will, this is number and this is string, so it should give us false, I think.
That is correct. You can check it.
Okay, so yes, sir.
So it is basically why it is giving true in the case of like,
Sorry,
first
sir.
line. Why it is giving true for first line.
Because it is not comparing the type of the value, just it I think 5 is converting into string and giving us true.
Yes. Technically,
Yes.
we cannot say it is not converting. Behind the scenes,
Yes.
it is converting to same type and then comparing. Like we
Okay.
cannot say it is not comparing the type. It will
Yes.
automatically convert to same data type. It can convert it to a string or it can convert it to number and then it will
Okay.
compare. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This question, I've sent you one more question.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Type of not a number. Type of not a number. Okay, so I think it's null value.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can check.
Okay, sir. It is number.
Yeah. Does it make sense?
No, sir, because its full form is not a number.
Yeah.
So why it is giving us number?
So it is number. it is it is number actually. Not a number. Why it is number? We can think of it like this: that let's say if we try to convert one string to a number,
Yes.
uh, just write one string
Yes,
like
sir.
in the console log, or just to come to the browser console. I will tell you browser console.
Okay.
Increase the height. Yes. Now increase the width and zoom. Zoom more, two times more.
Now, sir.
Yeah. Now it's good. Now, now clear the console and just write one string and in the string write 12. 12 in the string. No. Create one string. 12 in don't need to create a variable. Just without any variable.
Okay. 12.
12. Now the next question is how we will convert it to number. Convert it to number. Your task. This is your task.
Convert it into a number.
Yes.
Mm. Well, split operators.
What is
No,
split?
split is used. No, sir. Split is used to converting array to string. String to array.
Yes.
Mm. So I don't know how to convert this to number.
Okay. So there are many ways to convert it into a number. The easiest and shortest way is to put a plus sign before a
Yes.
string. Plus in the front. Like before that. No, not here. Before single double quotes. Yes. Now press enter. So it will be converted to
Okay, sir.
number.
Yeah, you
No.
told me about this.
Yeah. Where I told.
What, sir?
When did I tell you this?
Sir, in 5 plus 3, when there is only plus operator,
Yeah.
so it
Yes.
convert
So
into number.
yeah. So this is like
Yes.
this is the smallest form. Like whenever we put a plus sign, it will be converted to a number. And now press up
Okay, sir.
arrow. Press up arrow. and
Yes,
instead
sir.
of writing 12, write hello. Remove or hi, just write hi. Press
Hi.
enter, press enter. It is giving NAN.
Okay. Mm,
So
okay,
this
sir.
means that uh, we are trying to convert a string to a number, but it is not possible. Like, how will you convert hi to a number? It doesn't make sense, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So this is a value which could have been a number, but now it is not a number. So it is not a
Yes, sir.
number, but in the data type, it is number. Like anything,
Yes, sir.
like anything which meant to be a number, like only something which wanted to be a number, which had to be a number, that can be
Mm,
not a number, right? We cannot
yes,
call
sir.
a string not a number because that is completely different, right? So not a
Yes, sir.
number is in the category of number because that is something which had to be a number. So this is this reason we can think. Now I will send you next question. I have sent you in chat. You can copy and paste in VS Code.
Okay,
I've
sir.
sent
Can I
you.
cut this?
Don't cut it. Don't let it be open. We will come here again. We'll come back.
Not a number.
So question is what will
What,
be
sir?
output? Question is what will be output in the console?
Okay, not a number is question. Number. This should give true.
Okay. Okay, you can check it.
True,
You
sir.
can okay, you can run it and check.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
False. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So
Yes,
it
sir.
is false. Yeah.
So this is giving. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes. I can hear you. So do you know why it is going false?
Yes, sir.
Do you know why it is going false?
Mm, no, sir. Because both are the same value number, so
Yes.
it should give true.
Yes. So the reason behind this is that not a number can come from any string, can come from
I'm not
anywhere.
audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this
Yes, sir.
not a number is equal to not a number. This is false because not a number can come from any string. Like it can come from hi, it can come from hello, right? So this is why it is false. Okay. I think
Yes, sir.
your there is some problem in your network. So
Okay, sir.
uh, you can try
Yes, sir.
to. Am I clear? Like, can you hear me clearly?
So in my network,
Uh,
yes, sir. I'm able to hear you.
okay, let's continue then. If we'll face any problem, we can try
Okay,
to
sir.
rejoin again, disconnect. Okay. Right now it
Okay,
is
sir.
okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I will send you last question. and then we will move to some practical question. Okay.
Okay, sir. Console log 1 is mm, so let me think about this. One is so true and false.
Okay. Why?
It's comparing to. I'm just confused about this.
Okay. So did you already saw this question somewhere?
I saw that this type of questions. It is converting some things I know, but
Okay.
I'm not able to recall that concept.
Okay. No
Yes,
problem.
sir.
You can check the answer and then we can move to the next round.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. True and false.
Yeah, but only telling the output will not does not mean anything.
I
Okay.
know.
Hmm.
Wait,
Yeah, you have to tell the reason why it is happening. Okay, now we will move to next part. So
okay, sir.
show me your HTML file. Close this terminal.
So HTML.
Okay, in HTML file, write one H1.
One H1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello world. Just write hello world.
Yes, sir.
Uh, mm, okay, now come to JavaScript file,
Yes, sir.
and what you have to do is the text content which is written inside hello world.
Hmm.
You need to like first create one array with 4 words.
Hmm.
Use const. Don't create variables like this. Use const in this case. Put 4 words
Yes, sir.
like uh, 4 names. You can give. You can think of any name. Like you can
In
give.
string.
Yes, in a string you need to give 4 names. Name of person.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what I want you to do is when anyone clicks on H1, what you have to do is
Yes.
like change hello world to Neha. Okay. If user clicks again, then change it to Khushi. If user clicks again, change it to Nidhi. You got it right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is what you need to do.
Okay, sir. Okay. I'll click. Change value. Change. Sir, what is the question?
On click, whenever we click on H1,
Yes, sir.
the value should change to Neha. Right now it is hello world. It should change to
Hmm.
Neha. If user clicks again, it should change to Kushi. If user clicks again, it should change to Nidhi. And then if user clicks again,
Okay.
it should change to Astha. And if user clicks again, it should go to Neha again. Like if the list is completed, it should start from zero again. Got
Okay,
it?
sir. Okay, sir. Change value.
Need some hint.
Yes, sir.
Break down the problem. And now the problem is just change hello world to anything. Like let's just forget about array. Let's say array is not there. Comment out that. Comment out the array also. Now when
Yes, sir.
user clicks on the H1, you need hello world to hi. You need to change that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, will it work?
Sir, can I show the output?
Yeah, you can always keep seeing the output, and whatever error
Okay.
comes, you can
Okay.
keep seeing the error.
Mhm. Change or something.
Oh, that was correct. You don't need to change that.
Change value.
Just check the console. What is happening in the console?
Okay, sir.
No, you don't need to console log anything. First, open the browser.
Here.
Open the console here. Expand the browser width also. Like reduce the console width. See
Click.
what it is giving.
Change value dot one click is not a function.
what could be the reason here?
I'm passing call back
No, like
and
this first check if you have what you have selected, like H1,
yes sir.
is it selected properly? Console log change value. Just see what is inside change value. It is there, right? Now on click event.
Inner HTML I think. Okay.
No, it is selected properly. But on click event is not available, I think, on H1. Just open it, scroll down, you will see all the events. On, on,
On click.
on click is there, right? So
Yes sir.
now come back and see what mistake you are doing. It is like now, is it correct? Like the way you are doing, is it correct? On click.
Yes sir.
No, it is not correct. You have to do it like this. On click equal to this callback function. You are
Sir, sir, give me some more time. Like I can create a function and change something.
no, it won't work like this. You have to do equal to on click equal to change.
On click. On click.
Remove that. You don't need to call this.
Okay.
Just do equal to and just paste whatever you have copied. Paste it. Paste if you have copied the function callback function. You can paste here.
No sir.
You don't need to call that. Remove that calling. Like after on click parenthesis, you need to remove. No, you removed from the wrong. You removed from the wrong place. Remove after on click. Equal to should be there. Yes. Now you can check what happens.
This is inner HTML. No. Yes sir.
Try to click on it on higher. Okay. Okay. It works.
Yes sir. It works.
Refresh once again. Yes. Is it working?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. It is. Do you know why it is working? Refresh again and click on that. Refresh again. Okay, click on that
Yes sir.
and inspect that. Come to elements tab. Come to the elements tab. Yes. Open body and or inspect. Just inspect H1 directly.
This one.
Yes. Yes. Show me your code.
This.
Yes. Okay. You have written inner HTML. Yes. Now it is working. Now you need to implement that. Now you have made it work. You need to keep changing. Like on clicking first time, it should give Neha and then Khushi and
Yes.
then Nidhi. You got it right. Now it is working.
Yes sir.
You can remove this change function. It is not doing anything.
Just, mm, can you just wait open that?
So your time is almost over. Like if you want, if you think you can do, you can take 5 more minutes. If you think you cannot
So
do,
I
then
mean
we.
just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Just, just wait. So I'm not sure about this.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now you can stop sharing your screen. अगर आपने जीएफसी का 390 चैलेंज नहीं चेकआउट किया है तो आप जरूर से जाके चेकआउट करिए। वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा। और जीएफसी के ऊपर डीएसए इन जावास्क्रिप्ट का एक बहुत ही अच्छा कोर्स है जो कि मैंने खुद परचेस किया था। अगर आप उस कोर्स को भी खरीदना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको भी खरीद सकते हैं। उसका भी लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। Yes. Now tell me, how many points will you give to yourself out of 10 points?
3 to 4, I think.
Yes, that's correct. So
Yes, sir.
what does that mean? Like,
That means I have to prepare myself.
yeah, you have to work a lot. Like, the concepts are not clear. Whatever you are explaining in the interview, you have just like you don't know the depth. Like you don't have that knowledge that how things are
Yes,
working, how code is running. You just knew some answers, like, and you are able to answer those things, but you
yes, sir.
don't know why it is happening, which is very important.
Yes, sir.
And what did you learn from this interview?
That I have to work on myself and clear my concept in depth.
Yes. So, like, without learning properly, without your clearing your concept, you will never be selected. These are the
So
questions which
there
I
is a
have.
something that when I learn something, then I know about that. But after some time, when I move to the next topic or next subjects or something, so I just forget all the concept, all the previous concept.
Yes, it happens with everyone. It is not that only this is the case with only you. It happens with everyone. The only uh, the only thing that you should do to remember is you don't need to remember it. Okay, you don't need to revise it again and again. Don't revise it. Use it. Make projects. If you will make
Yes,
projects, yes, only one thing that you need to do is make project. When you make projects, all of your concepts will be revised automatically. You don't need to revise it. Okay, revise it for making project.
I just
Whenever,
prefer video and follow along that video. I quote
yeah,
something.
you will not learn anything just by following along whatever the instructor is doing. All you are doing is typing. Okay. So it is better to do typing on typeracer.com other than watching video and typing. Okay. So the first step is clear your concepts. Okay, understand what is DOM. Okay, understand how it is working. Understand what is browser object model. Understand how this conversion works, type conversion or something. Understand like all the concepts. The first step to become a good developer is understand the concepts, understand the fundamentals. The second
Yes,
step is to practice those concepts, make projects. So when I say make projects, that means make projects by yourself without watching videos. So whenever you will follow some course, there will be some projects in that course. Okay,
Yes, sir.
those projects are enough. Okay, those projects you need to watch and make video, like you need to follow along. Okay, so initially, let's say you have learned the concept, now you want to make some project. Initially,
Yes, sir.
1 2 video, like maximum 3 video, or 3 video is more than enough. You can watch three,
Mm.
you can follow along with 3 videos. And
Okay.
follow along means you will have to understand all the things that instructor is writing in the video. You just don't need to copy and paste, like whatever he's doing, just copying, pasting, and it is working, which means it is good. You are making project. That does not mean like it is not how it is supposed to be done. You need to
Yes, sir.
understand each and every line of code, why he is writing it. If he is using some concept which you don't know, you need to pause that video. You need to go to some other video where that concept is taught. For example, if someone is using his REST operator or a
Yes,
spread
sir.
operator, you need to pause and you don't know that how it works. What is it?
Mm.
So you need to pause the video, you need to search this, you need to go through it, even if it take 1 day, 2 day, 1 hour, 2 hour, it can take any amount of time depending upon the topic.
Yes,
If
sir.
it takes, you don't continue that project video until you understand this concept. Once you understand this concept, go back to that video and continue. This is how you need to make 2 3 projects maximum. Okay, and then start making projects by yourself. Only when you will write the code by yourself, you will learn how to code. By
Sir,
watching
when I
videos,
stuck somewhere, so what should I do?
when you're stuck somewhere, right,
Yes, sir.
you need to first you need to do googling. Okay, learn how to Google. You can solve almost all kind of problem on Google if you know how to Google properly. That is first step. If you don't get your answer on Google, make some friends who are already good in JavaScript, like maybe in college or in some community, online community. You can make some friends on our Procoder Telegram group. Okay, so you need to have 1 or 2 friends who can help you, but don't be dependent on them. Try to
Yes, sir.
find answers yourself because they will not be available always. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if your concepts are clear, fundamental things are clear, 99% of the time you will not face any problem which you cannot solve by yourself. Only if your fundamental concepts are not clear, you will get stuck and you will not be able to solve.
Sir, how to clear my fundamentals, like watching tutorials?
Yes, you should watch my JavaScript playlist and CSS playlist. And while watching it, don't watch it blindly. Like just
Yes,
don't
sir.
watch it like a movie. Watch it properly. Whatever I'm doing on my screen, you need to do it. You need to explore the dev tools, whatever I'm showing. So you need to learn in a practical way. You need to like watch right course. You can watch my course. I have
Yes, sir.
explained everything in a practical way. Nothing is theoretical. You will see everything. You will see JavaScript code running line by line, which is very important.
Okay.
So you need to clear, like first when I say clear your concept, that means watch or learn. If you are like reading, you can read some good sources. Otherwise, you can watch my videos, my playlist. If you want to learn JavaScript, you can watch JavaScript playlist.
Sir, I
If you
prefer videos, so I'm going for video
yeah,
lectures.
yeah, you prefer videos, but don't watch it like a movie. Follow along. Don't follow along blindly. If you don't understand anything, you can comment and ask, like, if you don't understand anything.
Yes, sir.
Most probably, I will reply, but in some cases, if I don't reply, you can
Yes, sir.
try to comment again. If I will see again, like, same comment after 1 day, there is a chance that I will reply.
Okay, sir.
or you can ask in the Telegram group. You can make some friends who are senior to you who can help. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is very important. Uh, like otherwise, you will not select it. Okay, okay, then we'll wrap up the interview. Okay,
Thank you so much, sir.
okay, okay, bye.
Bye, sir.